Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to crochet a flower for a baby blanket. As you can see here, I already have made a blanket over here, and this pattern is already in my YouTube channel, so you can go and check. The link will be shared below. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'm going to come here, make a slip knot that way. I'm going to tighten a bit, and I'm going to chain 2. Then I'm going to make a double crochet in this very space over here. You can see. So we're going to count 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 more left. So in total we have our 11 double crochet and a chain of 2 it's going to count. So you're going to come right on top of this loop, and we're going to make a slip knot that way, and around its form, and going to chain 3. Then I'm going to come right in the space here, going to slip knot that way. Then I'm going to chain 3 again, and we're going to go to the next space, going to slip knot that way, going to chain 3 again, going to come right in the same space, going to slip knot, in the same space, to slip knot. Then I'm going to chain 3 again, do with the next one, slip knot, chain 3 again, then going to go in the same space to slip knot, chain 3, then I'm going to go in the next space into slip knot, chain 3, in the same space, to slip knot, to chain 3 again, and to go in the next space into slip knot, chain 3 again, go in the same space, slip knot, chain 3, in the second space to slip knot, chain 3, I'm going to go in the same space, slip knot, chain 3, to go in this space next to it to make a slip knot, chain 3 again, then the same space, going to slip knot, chain 3 again, to the same next space, slip knot, chain 3, then again go in the same space to make a slip knot, chain 3 again, in the space from the next first one. Okay, chain 3, with the same space again, chain 3, the next space, the same space, chain 3, go to the next one, make a slip knot, chain 3 again, to the same space, chain 3, go to the next one, slip knot, chain 3 again, the same space here, a slip knot, chain 3, again in the same space, the last one, and slip knot. So I'm going to cut our yarn. As you can see how it looks like. I'm going to weave this on later, but this is how it's going to look like. I have this one and I've already made another one, which is this one here. So this is how it's going to look like. This is my my own flower design. So I hope you like this video. Till next time in my next video. See you. Bye bye. If you like, please share and subscribe.